Yeah man, a good vibe. So you just reached Notting Hill people, yeah. Big up yourself, 24-hour kitchen and Ringo Vision. So yeah man, we're there. We just reached Notting Hill people, Notting Hill Carnival 2024. We're there. That is it.
No matter where you wake up and nothing in the Carnival, you know what?
Yes everybody, so we're on the roadside right now. Yeah man, when you say friend, Carnival, don't they?
Outside, man.
That is it people, yeah, you think a joke, the shopping trolley, yeah?
Got the shopping trolley, we found one down.
Listen, this is going to be an exciting day, so just stay tuned everybody, yeah? Alright, 24-hour kitchen, Ringo Vision, we're there, teamwork, that is it. Man, a good vibes people, so Carnival day today. We say cut you here? Yeah. Alright, we'll cut you here people, yeah? A good vibes. The whole vibe is behind us, you know. Notting Hill Carnival, see there? Yeah man, we outside. A good vibe, big up yourself, big up yourself, big up yourself. Yeah, Carnival, nice. We're there, sir. A good vibes. Respect, big up yourself. This general embossed me on the party yesterday. You get me? A good vibes. That is us. Outside with the kitchen. This is the time of year that a lot of people don't get to go out. They especially make time, or they even plan for it for the next year, saying, there's people that didn't go Carnival this year. That's probably saying, nah, you know what it is? Next year I'm gonna be at Carnival. Look, we just mash up a pot of corn soup today, people, yeah, for the people that at Carnival. It was just really about reaching Carnival, and because we're on a mission of giving back to the communities and the homeless and the needy, but the Carnival was a special one for us, just to turn up with a shopping trolley and spread some love amongst the people them, you understand, amongst the masses of millions that was there, and just to say that we was a part of the biggest street party here in the UK, which is Notting Hill Carnival, you understand people, yeah? And we can say that, yeah man, Ringo Vision and team, we turned up and we was at the Carnival, you understand? It was a bit hectic for us to be pushing the shopping trolley through the Carnival, so we just find a local one spot and we just posted up there. We held the vibes for the whole day. Yeah man, as you stay tuned, you can just see, you understand? I span the camera around and I show you a bit of what was going on at the same time. One love to each and every one of you. Today is a corn soup, people, yeah, a good vibes. Welcome to the segment, people. Yeah, this is the time where we just cook some good food, some corn soup. So today we just aim to just give away some food to the people that at Carnival, you understand? Yeah man, and just hold the vibes at the same time, you understand? Can't come to Carnival and leave my shopping trolley. This is like something that goes in your wallet, my shopping trolley. So guess what? I had to turn up to Carnival, people, yeah, with the shopping trolley and blaze a pot of corn soup for the people them. You mean, how good vibes. I must say, people, big up yourself now. Listen, Carnival 2024. It was smashing. Look on the crowd, man. The people them here are good vibes. Personally, myself, I did not witness any violence, anything like that. But let's get into it, people, yeah. Big up yourself. You understand? I'm Ringo Vision. I was out with some friends. You understand? And we bought the shopping trolley outside at Notting Hill Carnival. Imagine that. Yes, we was outside with the shopping trolley, yeah, with a pot of corn soup, yeah, at Notting Hill Carnival. You understand, yeah? While the people them was dancing away, enjoying themselves, biggest street party in the whole of the UK. You understand? Look at the masses of crowd, thousands and thousands and millions of people. You understand? We was just in it, not too much in the middle of it, walking around. This was one of the times where I was just posted right here by this wall here with the shopping trolley people, yeah, and just handing out soup to those of you who wanted it that passed by, you understand? And yeah, we was drinking and just holding the vibes at the same time, you understand? But we managed to give out a few cups of soup, you understand, and feed the minority of the masses that was there at Carnival, you understand, people, yeah? The music was absolutely shocking. You understand? The calypso, the dancehall, the drum and bass. You understand? Everybody was just in their own elements. You understand? Having their own vibes. Different nations, different nationalities. You understand, people? People came out to enjoy themselves despite what I've heard. You understand? That's gone on over Carnival this year. I didn't witness anything. And the people that I was with, we didn't witness any bad energy. It was just a vibes all the way through, you understand? Big up yourself, those of you that have just come on the 24-hour kitchen journey. You guys have all been smashing, you understand? We are now gone into our marathon, yeah? So we've fed over 5,000 people, yeah, over the duration of 10 weeks. Yes, over 5,000 people. Look at the masses of people there. Yes, we fed bare people in the period of 10 weeks. So guess what's happened? We've left that 10-week journey, that 10-week introduction, giving back to different communities, feeding the homeless, helping the needy, you understand, people, yeah? And now the marathon is going all the way up until Christmas. So in Christmas again now, we're going to do our next calculation and see how many miles we've fed and how many people we've helped from now up until Christmas. But until then, people, yeah, let me just tell you a little bit more about the Carnival. The Carnival was good, you understand? Even though I didn't walk around and whatnot, I was enjoying just the sight of the pleasantness of the music in the background from where I was, you understand? I'm there with the shopping trolley just blazing up a pot of corn soup, Sedway, you understand? Fend was out, big up Carla, Fen's sister, yeah man, she's out. I ain't met her for a long time, you understand? We're all from the old school, you understand? So it was good to meet up with Fen, with your little sister as well. Good vibes, everybody, yeah? Go over to Fen's YouTube and go and check him out because he's on the mission as well, yeah? He needs to get monetized, so help him get monetized, people, yeah? And help him run up his watch time as well, people, yeah? You don't know, say he's out here helping on the mission as well. Good vibes. 2024 Carnival, Notting Hill, we was there. It was smashing, people, yeah? One love to each and every one of you again. That is it. You're on the journey with myself, Ringo, on the 24-hour kitchen. You understand? And that is it. We don't stop. What? Cooking. Because guess what? You know why we can't stop cooking? Because there's too many mouths out here to feed. There's too many hungry mouths out here. So we can't stop cook. Anytime we get the opportunity here to spark the fire off the spark that me I talk about. Yeah man, there's soon gonna be a time when I spark up this fire, you know, and the fire don't even out. And that me I talk about, it not even go out. See me I cut up pumpkin and them sitting there putting in a pot right now. It not going even out people. Yeah man, so give thanks for everybody that's on the movement with me, that's on the journey with me. Yeah, I appreciate every single one of you. Are you not buzzing? I know you're not buzzing, but we're buzzing off of the energy of good vibes. That is it. Easy. Yes, more time when me I hear them music, I have to go and hold my local energy, you know, you understand, and spring with the vibes as well. You mean, because you don't know, say, yeah man, a carnival and a music. See, church they just a cut up. Yeah man, a good vibes, big up yourself people, yeah. Alright, so you know what's gonna be added to us cooking? I want to have not a competition, but I want to invite someone to come and cook. You understand? So yeah man, I don't know how it's gonna work out, but we're gonna make it work. You understand people? Yeah, a good vibes, big up yourself. You don't know. Yeah man. Yes, everybody, so we're there, so man, we're there, Carnival, said way. It's like home time, a good day, you see all the party vibes. Yeah man, everybody's packed up or packing up and going about their separate ways, a good vibes. That is it, big up yourself. 2024 Carnival, you understand, Notting Hill. A good vibes man. Corn soup, outside. I didn't see no violence today, so I hope there weren't no violence. Good vibes. You know, food, let me hear a fork. Yeah. Corn soup, man, corn soup. You know what? Today was one of them easy ones at Carnival, just chill out. Work, bro. Yeah, and just go and give out some soup here and there. Vibe, you understand?
People them got to eat as well.
Our good vibes, look, see the road here. We ain't moving from here today, people, yeah. Our good vibes, big up yourself. You don't know where I'm going. You're gonna see we're gonna walk on the strip in a little while. And just walk down the road, you understand? That is it. Now, this is something as well, yeah, to notice. The most rubbish you'd ever see in England will be right here at Notting Hill Carnival. You understand? On the floor, roadsides, but they're good at it because as soon as it's there, quickly they take it back up because it's an event. It's the biggest street party in the whole of UK, people, yeah. It was here, 2024. It was a good vibe. Big up yourself, people, yeah. That is it. On the way home from Carnival, yeah man, the place lively. Yeah man, on the way home from Carnival, a good vibe. That is it. So. Yes, big man.
What's up?
Come on. Still out here.
Out here, man.
Come on.